Hello world, how you doing guys? I'm just at the front of the German beach in Kuta, in Tuban actually. And today is another day, another live stream from Bali, Indonesia. Obviously today my target is Tuban, Kuta Tuban. Starting from German beach, I'm not gonna show you around the beach, but on the streets, walking around, passing the Lipo Mall church and going to Discovery, and then Kuta Square and Kuta Beach Walk. So I will covering this area. That is so lovely. Over there. Hello. Thank you. Lovely vibes. And this is the area of German beach. Anyway, Sulis Hotel over here, and I'm just at the front of the Holiday Inn Resort in Tuban in Kuta. Over here seems like some group of people. I don't know, the big bus, local people, probably Indonesians. Holiday Inn Beach Resort. So I will cover all of these areas over here to the south. There's some tourists also already, expats, I mean like a foreigner tourist. Hold on, I need to change the position of the camera. So you can expect about 1 hour on today's video. Let's see how it's gonna be. If you are watching during the live, highly recommended to join to the live chat. As always, happy. Actually, quite many tourists walking around, foreigner tourists here. I'm very surprised. Long time I didn't been in this area, actually, to be honest. So, think it's gonna be very interesting live stream video today. And later, if you're watching the playback, comment below what do you think. And meanwhile, please enjoy. I don't know. I got so stressed at the beginning. This is the Rama Beach Hotel in Tuban. Really didn't vlog too often here, so I believe it's gonna be very interesting. And many of you are hello, and many of you guys hello. Many of you will be interested of today's vlog. I hope so. I believe. Enjoy the live chat. Here is some reconstruction of some local restaurant, just at the front of the big reconstruction, actually, just at the front of the Rama Hotel. Maybe I will show you a little bit how this looks, Rama, at least on the parking area. Here we go. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you into this area of Kuta. This is very old area of Kuta, one of the first. It's called Tuban Kuta, actually. Used to be very local vibe, little bit more local vibe here to compare to the modern Kuta, what we know now. Here is another hotel, not sure what is the name of the hotel, Risata Hotel in Tuban, also seems quite busy. Okay, fountain doesn't work, they're saving a little bit of the cost of the operational, I guess. But yeah, it's quite busy inside, so many cars. I'm really positively surprised on today's, and today in general. Seems like still many shops are closed and the local vendors, like money changer stuff, but hotel seems busy. Another hotel here, I'm not sure. Aston Kuta, also busy. I'm not sure that that's because of the event in Nusa Dua and many government people come to Bali. I think even, check this out, the police car is here right now. I just talked about that, and here we go. I'm not sure if that's because of, but I think they're gonna stay in Nusa Dua, not in Tuban. Doesn't really make sense. Maybe it's just getting busier and busier. Transport service. Transport.
Yeah, hi. How are you? Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali, sir. See, boys waiting, massage. Hello. Thank you. There's like a little shops. Stroll, monkey tricks. That looks suitable to my brand, to my name. Anyway, guys, don't forget thumbs up for today's, and please enjoy. Please relax. Motorbikes are for rent. Here we go. Motorbike. Beautiful yellow Vespa. How much for Vespa like this?
Taxi bike is 150 a day.
150 a day.
Yeah.
Take care. How much NMAX also?
Only 100.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to Bali. 150k for the Vespa is actually very cheap, and 100k for the NMAX is actually very cheap right now. This is like a price without even negotiating. You could negotiate this for sure. So another hotel and the big bus with the police car. Not sure what's going on here actually. Check this out. Police is driving, bus is driving, so better just give them space. Bedrock Hotel at the front, guys. Bedrock Hotel in Kuta Tuban also seems open. Not sure if busy. They have underground parking, but yeah, they're open. Guys, Bali is back. Bali is slowly, really, literally bouncing back. Because, well, I used to vlog covering all of these areas and it was deadly quiet. I mean, like, was nothing around. Not even a single person was passing by. But now, yeah, it's definitely getting better and better. Of course, many still businesses are closed, but they will be open for sure anytime soon. And this is already end of the street right now. And gonna go to Kuta direction right now. Actually, I don't know what the name was of this street literally, but this is the roundabout with Baruna Bali statue. Sponsored by Holiday Inn Resort, by the way. I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna show you. There are some tourists also walking here, so it's really not so bad. I'm really positively surprised. I have a big question to you guys. Do you still considering Kuta Tuban as the first tourist destination? Like long time ago, if you are a newcomer, you consider this place to come, or you are a repeater and you are still coming to this place, or you are more likely targeting different parts of Kuta or maybe Canggu, I don't know. But the situation looks definitely much more optimistic right now. Stark at the front, some Chinese restaurants, car park, but I don't know why parking at the edge of the, like this. But it's alright. Very hot by the way in Bali, guys. Stark. Unfortunately, bar still closed. Still closed, but I believe it's gonna be open. It seems refreshed inside, so I believe it's gonna be open in the near future. And yeah, heading to Lipo Mall, then Discovery Mall, then Kuta Square, and then Beach Walk. So not sure how long it's gonna be. However, I think it's gonna be very enjoyable for at least many of you who are interested and familiar with the area. Well, still very sad views like this one. You're not gonna avoid this. It needs years to repeat. I mean, to recover like fully. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I need to walk. No time for driving right now. Grab and Gojek driver very happy. In general, I could say the people in Kuta, in Tuban, in Legian even, they are definitely more happy and friendly than people in Canggu. I don't know why it's like this, but that's how it is. This is the entrance to Lipo Mall. Lipo Mall, and just at the front of the Catholic Church in Kuta. Yeah, very nice church. If you are Christian, if you are Catholic and would like to visit, very nice church, highly recommended. It's general public access, but I don't know if they're checking something. This is the name of the church if you are interested. And this is the mall situation. Janesha is closed. Seems like, not sure how's the situation in the mall currently. This is newer mall. They have a Starbucks even. Used to vlog inside when I was buying the laptop for Winnie, what then later got stolen, by the way. That's the long story. Maybe if you watched people waiting in the restaurant. Lipo Mall. Loud music. Okay, that's not really good. But I don't know what this music is. Sounds like some Turkish beats. By the way, I wish I can go to Turkey one day. Miss the kebab there. Very nice. Also nice to making few videos in Turkey, guys. Let me know, guys, if I allowed motorbikes. Let me know, guys, if I go ever to Turkey, would you be interested to having a look for my vlogs from Turkey or from any other country from around the world? I hope so I can travel a little bit in the near future. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the mall here. I don't know how does it look like. Just wanna walk little silk around just to having a look. Yeah, the mall seems partly open, mostly restaurants. I think the access here is closed, but yeah, it's not so bad. It's getting better and better. Some army car, like I said, there's so many police and everyone like this around. But yeah, in this weekend in Nusa Dua is the big event. There are some very important ministers, and I think Mr. President is there, so maybe, but I don't know if it's any matter. In Kuta, in Nusa Dua must be busy. I'm not even interested to go there because I'm sure there will be difficulties with access and difficulties with filming. You have to respect the events like this. Also, whenever will be G20, definitely I'm not gonna film there. I don't think so. Coco Mars, unfortunately, gone eventually. I think I mentioned last time about that. Full family on the motorbike. It's very Asian thing, very common still. Bintang Bali Beach Resort, possibly open, but partly. No, it's open. Definitely it's open. There's this big sign. And in general situation. Usually I'm heading from Kuta Square coming here, but today I'm coming from completely different direction. I don't even remember when last time I used to following from opposite direction, so it's have a little bit fresh look on the same streets. Been a while when I was last time here anyways. Seems like some local tourists walking around also. And yeah, so many restaurants, unfortunately they are still closed. I think it's gonna take a while for the big restaurants like this one to open again, but definitely it's getting better and better. That's for sure, especially if you are comparing this to previous months, even last 2 months or something like that. It's huge improvement. Even it's still quiet, it's still huge improvement. It used to be definitely much worse. Yo, transport, yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Transport people waiting for you. Not as many as a long time ago. There was actually long time ago was that many people, as actually was kind of annoying. The ice, you don't need to be afraid of the ice. There are so many factories who producing ice using the proper clean method. Yeah, every restaurant, every hotel is buying ice, so don't worry about that. Kunit, belongs to Anvaya Resort. Wonder how it looks in Anvaya. Let's see. Closer now to the more popular area of Kuta Tuban, which is Discovery Shopping Mall direction. Well, Discovery Kartika Plaza area in general. So hot, guys. So hot, and still feeling not 100% well after yesterday's job. Whew. Well, what we can do, right? So this little side effect. Transport. Alright, little walk. Anvaya seems open and seems busy actually, many people around. Yo, transport, Mike! There's some happy people. There was some foreigners. This is the Irish pub. Belongs to Bali Dynasty Resort. Used to make a vlog there also. Bali Dynasty for sure open. Yeah, so many big buses inside of Bali Dynasty actually. And transport. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali taxi driver. This is not the Bluebird, this is Bali taxi. Be careful of them, by the way. They can easily rip you off. Gold tip from me. Massage lady, hello! Massage lady not happy to show the face, so I'm not gonna focus too much on her. That's not really nice. Hello! Ah, beautiful baby! Unfortunately, they're asking for money only. That's kinda, yeah. Well, welcome to Kuta, guys. Kuta have also few side effects, I could say. Sometimes, yeah, like this. Anyway, seems like Tattoo Aussieing, targeting the Australian community. Here we go. So many Bluebird taxis. They are actually proper Bluebird taxis around. Also some tourists here, seems like. Massage ladies. Nothing interested today to be on camera. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Not all of massage ladies here are happy to be on the camera today. Check this out, this one. Yo, what is this flag? Is it Australian or New Zealand?
Yes, Australia.
Australian, alright. Many Australian already here, no?
Yes.
Some coming?
Couple.
Yeah?
So where you come from anyway?
I'm from Europe.
Europe.
Yeah.
So how many people you come to Bali?
Just me.
Just you?
Yeah.
Why?
Why so many?
Why you not bringing family?
I don't know. Just...
I'm having good time in Bali.
Yeah, next time. They will come soon. Okay, good luck with your business.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Take care. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Hello, ladies.
Come Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Good luck. Only one. Happy to be on the camera. Big reconstruction here. You hear the guy. He had already some couple of Aussie people who get the tattoos in his job, and I saw candid smile on his face. What I can say, seeing the local people happy is good. I'm not sure if he is actually a local from Bali or local from Indonesia. However, local is local. Indonesian, happy, definitely happy. Happiness is very important. Well, not always looks happy, but most people, most places. Faith Hotel in Kuta here. And this is the already area of Kartika Plaza. This bar is open. By the way, have a nice coach with Cadillac, with Caddy style. Another hotel, this one is open also. Restaurant, Bracer, Bali Rani. And this is already Kartika Discovery Plaza. Hotel also open into two gates. The Grab is driving, which is really not so bad. Bali Rani, and heading now into area of Discovery Shopping Mall. Not gonna get inside on today's occasion because in the mall is not that much is happening, and there was some music, and I'm not really sure if I actually can like film too much in the mall. Not sure. Sometimes no problem. Sometimes actually no problem. Nobody actually told me anything, but yeah. But music is problem anyway. So another tourists walking. This is the area of the Kartika Discovery Mall. And this is actually like border between Tuban and Kuta, and this is like a Kuta is starting around here. I used to live somewhere there. I mean, when I was tourist long time ago at the Jaya Hotel. And this is the main gate of the Discovery Shopping Mall. Still quiet. I will definitely go there, make a vlog again, but when it's gonna be a little bit more busier, because currently it's just too quiet. Some tourists. Little clinic here. You could test yourself if you need to or you want to. Meanwhile, for Ralph closed. One guy is working there. Also seems like a foreign tourist. And well, mall generally looks like this. I'm gonna quickly stop, I mean for a while stop here, show you around. This guy definitely looked like a tourist, which is good. There is still not many people like a tourist, guys, not many. It's very hot, by the way. Not sure if they walk, even if they are here, but yes, hello. I'm alright, how you doing? Yeah, I'm on YouTube, yeah. You're on YouTube now. The Monkeys. The Monkeys. The Monkeys. Check this out later. The spice and the bamboo preparing for you. Spice, Indian cuisine, maybe not yet, but the bamboo bar and grill definitely is open already. That's good. That's good. That means something is happening and this is okay. One more look for the Discovery Mall here. Yeah, looks like this. Pretty alright. There are some tourists arriving. Here we go. Let's go more to the direction of this part is under refurbishment, and this is Waterboom Bali, guys. Oh god, Waterboom Bali is open actually all the time already since few months. Here we go, and yeah, very hot. Seems like some cars there. Must be some tourists. Here are some lunch break. Yo, what's up? Welcome to Bali. Om Swastiastu. Welcome to Bali, guys. Welcome to Bali. Woo. Good luck. Take care. Happy people. Always happy people. Always happy people in Bali, guys. Yo, what's up? Didn't realize he waved to me. So, hope so you enjoy, guys. This bar is closed. This is the Bali Garden Hotel. And Bali Garden Hotel is open. Actually, most of the big hotels, like a 4 and 5 star hotels, are open. They made save little bit of the operational cost, like no fontaine like here or something like that. But definitely most of them, they are open. Actually, all of them, I think. Well, it's like a big competition right now. So many hotels, not so many guests, but most of them. 98% are open. Like this restaurant, this bar is actually closed. And it used to be a very busy place. So that's mean as there are not many people around. I'm gonna stop here. I need to have a drink, so I'm gonna put my phone here. Sorry for the shakiness little bit. I will have a drink. So you have a look how it does it look like. All right, I'm back to game. Hello, brother. Always remember to hydrate yourself. Drink water, or even better, some isotonic drinks. C1000 orange and lemon water is like this good one. Pocari Sweet, actually I don't really like Pocari Sweet, but it's also good. There is no Powerade or something like that, like in Western countries, but some local Indonesian equivalents. So always remember to drink or just water. Now you can easily also get yourself a sparkling water or soda water. Oops, this is a little bit dodgy looking corner here because there is a gate to the, well, crematorium and empty land in general. Well, this one looks actually interesting where I'm passing right now, like a Tarzan in the jungle, something like that. Dolce Vita, Kimberly Spa, and this is actually approaching now the area of so many of you request me that to show this, in general Kuta Tuban to show, but especially this street right here, right now, Bella Italia at the front. Hotel Carti, 150 only per night. Some city hotel. Hello, how are you? Oh, there. Thank you. Still very quiet here, I have to say. Still very quiet. Bella Italia still closed.
Hello guys.
Hello, how are you? So many actually local people are happy. They thinking as I just come to Bali, but yeah. Hotel Melasti also open. There is some foreigner, by the way, guys. That's good. That's actually good. Some people are coming, and there are two foreigners, one local lady. That's actually very nice. Happy to see that. Check this out. They check in or check out. Maybe check out already, which is really good. Hello. Coconuts. Some ladies. Hello. Thank you. Anyway, this is what I mentioned. This is the corner. What so many people of you ask me, especially about these restaurants, the big restaurants over here. They are open or closed. Well, unfortunately, they are still closed. I think you need to guys wait for another, well, few dozen of thousands of tourists, and maybe another 1-2 months. I think end of May, beginning of June, something gonna start being better and better. Currently, still too quiet. This is restaurants very huge. Operational costs are huge, so they need a lot of people to survive. Kuta Paradiso Hotel, also popular spot. Need some refurbishments, I think, because this crab doesn't look optimistic. It's open, I think. So seems like this crab restaurant actually popular. They already removed the fence, there was some sort of fence. So seems like they're gonna clean, refurbish, and they're gonna preparing to be opening. So actually, that's a huge improvement right now. I think so. Like this one, for example, still somebody's cleaning, and this one already like they're doing something there. So definitely something is going on. They already starting to clean it, starting to preparing for reopening. Give them 1-2 months, guys, peacefully. Some people are gonna start coming. They're gonna, refurbish this, clean, prepare for you, and they will be back. And then you can enjoy lovely, tasty food over here and enjoying their time, dinner and everything. But yeah, give them little time. Same to them, little bit, not yet, but it's gonna be very soon, very soon. Sports bar. Hello. All is good. So, owner or not owner, somebody, doesn't matter. No, I don't think so. Owner will sit like this. But yeah. Anyway, this is Ramayana restaurant at the front. I mean, Ramayana Hotel in Kuta, and the restaurant what belongs to Ramayana. Open, guys. There's some refurbishments works, and this is the hotel in general. So basically, the hotel is behind the bars and the restaurants. So yeah, I think the Ramayana own the buildings, and they are somebody who ran the business. So give them a few months, guys. 2 months, I think, no longer than 2 months. That's my personal predictions. And yeah, this is it. Now it's time for Kuta Square, guys. I used to vlog here often, very often. There's the market, it's sunny. Kuta Beach. Very hot. Kuta Square, from this perspective, from the junction, doesn't look so much optimistic. Here is the main bank with Western Union. I think this is the only place what is open, and this bar, Sandok Square Bar Restaurant, still quiet. And here we go. This is the Kuta Square. I used to vlog here multiple times. Actually, so regularly. Some tourists walking there at the front. I don't know if you can see. Definitely some tourists. Krupuk guy, drivers. That's also actually Krupuk lady. No offense. Tires or what? So many motorbikes. And yeah, Kuta Square today. Look at this guy. Carry the stand for the sunglasses. Kuta Square today slightly more optimistic than last time. It's kind of quiet, I could say. I'm not sure why it's like that. Sometimes Kuta Square is very busy. Sometimes it's just like now, not so busy. Well, it's already close to sunset time, so it's supposed to be. Anyway, McDonald's, some tourists on the motorbike. Also, so definitely there are some tourists around. Where she is, here we go. McDonald's open, Matahari still no further information. Seems like it's not gonna be open in the near future. For everyone who are asking and interested about the place, McDonald's is open, Matahari not open. Another tourists. There are some tourists, definitely, guys. There's no doubts, but there are several people, you know, walking only by, especially in Kuta Legian. Like, how many people you count? 10, maybe 20? Yeah, a month ago was 0, only me, or a white person. Not really tourist either. Now it's maybe 10, 20 people. But, well, that's only few planes just arrived from few countries, so more and more weeks and will be better and better. Give them 2 months. Yes. I believe during the summertime, European summertime, Australian wintertime, June, July, August, it's gonna be already busy. So I think so, bagus watch. If you would like to upgrade your watch collection, tour driver, some refurbishments. Also, 2 weeks ago, last week I was in Legian, yeah, or in Samia. Oh, last week I was here. Was a little bit busier than it's now, but maybe was also a little bit more later. But I don't know, was busier definitely. Anyway, it's busy the same. The cars, the KFC here at the front, cars passing by, motorbikes passing by. It's nearly the same. Slightly maybe more quiet, because, well, obviously it's already 1 week or 2 weeks after people come, so maybe excitement is also a little bit slightly less than it used to be, right? Yes, hello. Slightly less. I think so. Not much, but slightly. Anyway, shops are open here already, heading to Kuta Beach direction. Kuta Beach gate at the front. Jamie Oliver is open. This is huge improvement because it's closed. So Jamie is open. This is the new convenience shop. Jamie is open, Hard Rock. And heading now into Kuta Beach gate and then beach walk direction. Very hot. Some cars driving, actually, traffic. Some bus even with people. This restaurant is also open in Grand Ina on the parking area. So yeah, slowly something is going on, definitely, guys. Sorry for the little bit light situation. Sun is coming directly into my lens, so just stay tuned. Just 2 minutes, I'm gonna pass it. It will be nice. Anyway, Grand Ina, Kuta used to vlog, especially last 2 weeks, in the area very often. So you have also point of view is, yeah, slightly maybe less, slightly less. And this is it. Here we go, guys. World famous Kuta Beach, entrance Kuta Beach gate. Looks good. Some tourists changing a hotel. Here we go. Gonna stop for a while here so you can having a look. How does it look like? Whew, very hot, guys, today. Seems like, I don't know, all the time it's so hot, but today crazy hot. And when I cross the street I have opportunity one more time look for the Kuta gate. Not gonna go today to the having a bean tank or something, but I will go on the next occasion. During the next week you can expect the vlog from the beach over there. And another tourist, as you saw. So yeah, that's good. Something is definitely going on. Some improvements. Also now, next week it's beginning of next weekend actually, yeah, next Monday, not this Monday but Monday after. So after next weekend, beginning of Ramadan in Indonesia. So potentially many people who are Indonesian living in Bali, working, they will go to their homes, wherever their homes are in different islands. But at the same time, many tourists, many Indonesians who can afford holidays, they will come to Bali. So April is supposed to be busy through local Indonesian tourists. Probably many flights will be expected because the flights are so expensive right now. I already was checking, actually very expensive flights if you want to travel domestically. Also, most Southeast Asian countries are reopening again in beginning of April, 1st of April, including Singapore and Malaysia, which is great news, by the way. And well, people are gonna start traveling again, definitely. April, May, that's gonna be moments when people are gonna travel. And then let's see how it's gonna be after these 2 months. I hope so. Everything gonna work smooth and more people will coming. Yeah. Also maybe I will go somewhere for making some little bit fresh content from completely new place, but let's see. Just thinking. Let's see how it's gonna be. Mercure Hotel, Kuta Beach, Bali. Open, little bit less people, but yeah, it's open. Some bus. Actually, lady with fruit and nuts, fruit and peanuts and krupuk. Some people in the Starbucks, but yeah, normal. Whew. Very hot, guys. Very hot. I hope so you enjoy. So yeah, that's gonna be. Hello. Hello. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Bye. Another tourists arrive. Definitely. Yeah, you can see that. You can feel it. I don't know. Like, I'm not judging people, but this seems like a tourist, right? You can let me know what do you think. But for me, yeah. And then some local Indonesian tourists here to Kuta Beach. They arrive with the bus. Just check in, which is also alright. Full bus of people. Local, domestic, but yeah. Tourists are tourists anyway. I just hope in the upcoming weeks gonna be more. Hello, brother. How you doing? Thank you, brother. That was the Poppies one, by the way. Shops. Leading now to Beachwalk area. Having a look. Well, as expected, in Beachwalk gonna be kinda busy. I can see so many people. Actually, so many cars. Believe some people gonna be there also. Gonna cross the street right now. I wanna work on the other opposite side of the street because last time I worked on this side. It seems like more action is going on this side. So many motorbikes, at least. Looks nice. And yeah, that's how it is. Okay, I will have a quick look to the beach. How does it look like? Yeah, by the beach, a little bit. Some people, I cannot see so many tourists. I'm alright, how are you? Yeah, yes, I think one tourist sitting there. So, yo, welcome to Bali, guys. And that's it. Coming back to another tourist on the motorbike. So yeah, in general, that's how it looks like. Some improvement. I don't know. I feel like so hot. It's so tired for me to talk, focus what I'm saying today. Whew. It's literally feeling so hot, guys. Sweating a lot. So yeah, Oh, here we go. Another tourist actually here parking motorbike. That's good. That's actually very good. Like I said. Nice, some improvements, yes, definitely. Also, I think I forgot to mention even in the past two videos and today there is the newest news regarding the coming to Bali, guys. So the third PCR test, what was on the third day, is ripped off. I mean, like, it's completely no anymore. This rule is not exist anymore. So now you just arrive, one test, and you are free to go, guys. So happy days. Only one night warm up in the hotel and you are free to go. So I think it's great news. This is all because of reopening other Southeast Asian countries. Singapore, Malaysia. Singapore, I don't know how about Malaysia, but Singapore opening for all countries from all around the world without test on arrival. Can you imagine, guys? So you're making test pre-test, pre-departure test, right? Because most of airlines will require that anyway. And on this test, on 72 hours, you are able to enter Singapore. And that's it. Thank you, boys. And that's it. So that's very optimistic, actually. That's gonna be a big game changer. So then, also in Singapore, there is so many restrictions are lifted. Indonesia much follow Singapore and Malaysia, actually, much more than Thailand, as we know, as Thailand is open already for half year. So I believe Indonesia will follow, and more easier will be to come to Bali, Indonesia in the next upcoming weeks, not even months, weeks. Another tourist here. Here we go. Lovely couple and lady. So area of the Beach Walk Mall already. Here we go, actually quite many tourists. This is lady. There is some family. Here we go. The whole family of foreigners. Not sure where they're coming from, but they are. Great. And the beach walk is kind of busy. Great news. Check this out. Starbucks is busy inside. This is the family going, taxis driving. Great. Definitely better and better, guys. Definitely, without any doubts. Upcoming weeks and months gonna be very optimistic, very positive. I truly believe. I know some of you was thinking as I'm so pessimistic, especially in the last year. Hello. And last year was actually very pessimistic in general, especially here. But now seems like definitely it's going better and better. And always remember, I'm showing you however it is. If it's optimistic like now, it is optimistic. If it's pessimistic, because situation is very not so good, this is how it is. And meanwhile, this is the situation. Big traffic. I can see some siren. I'm just watching what is going on. This guy has a very loud whistle. So this out the traffic little bit in Bali. You can enjoy. Here we go. This tourist has one stop, and there is summer escort. So loud is going on. Which car has this siren actually? Oh, the motorbike. Here we go. He talking to the people in slowly translation. Move out the way. No, without the bad words. Just move out the way, give the way. So yeah, situation. I will spend here a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes around Beach Walk because it's super busy, and I just want you to enjoy the situation. How does it look like around? Seems traffic. Seems really traffic. Check this out, guys. Whew. Pretty enjoyable to watch, I could say. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section if it's enjoyable to watch or not. Maybe not so enjoyable to drive. Yo! Seems like... Yo! Yo! That's good. Yo! Bali is back! Bali is back. Also, Bali good. Very good.
Very good Bali.
Another tourist here.
Bali, no money,
And another one. No money, no honey. No, it's great. Oh, surfer lady here. Foreigner, hello. Focus driving, focus driving. Let's focus driving anyway. Here we go. Actually, I could stop here for 1 hour and just recording this traffic. It's so enjoyable for me. I don't know how is it for you guys, but for me it's so enjoyable to watch it. Another foreigner here. Here we go. Yo. And even people saying hi. Yo, I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm passing by. Now it's break for me. Alright, I'm not gonna go to the mall because I have to scan the app. By the way, you still have to scan it. I'm not really like, yeah, if I have to scan, I scan it. But, just for the 1 minute video purposes, maybe next time. I'm gonna make a special video about the beach walk for you guys whenever you're gonna be interested. This is foreigner. Also, if you're a foreigner, you have to scan the app. I don't know how you transform this from your foreigner, foreigner, what is it called? Certificate, because I have like Indonesian person, because I have I'm a resident of Indonesia, obviously, because of my wife. So for me, it's like local people, but for you, I know you have to do it also. So, my situation, and whenever you're gonna go, especially to the malls, they will ask you to scan it. You're not gonna avoid this, but you can still show the paper copies. Should be all right. And yeah, this is it, guys. Little traffic, taxi drivers waiting for you guys. Basically in Kuta, if you really want to see the traffic and it's busy, you definitely have to come here. You have to come to taxi, thank you. No, I'm fine, thank you, go. Don't make traffic, mate. Oh my god, it's so funny. And the Bluebird taxi is waiting. This is the entrance to the beach walk. Hello.
Hello, boss.
How are you? Apa kabar? Baik. Beach walk mall, by the way, Aloft is open now. I think I mentioned last time about that. Okay, let's watch the street a little bit more. Maybe more foreigners arrive. Here we go. What's going on? This is like a dating or something? I don't know. He asked her to come, but she didn't come. Weird things you may notice on the street if you're gonna stand here for a while. Alright, guys. Yeah, traffic. Lovely stuff. Yes! Everybody are happy now. If I'm facing this direction, everybody looking at me, guys. So they will wants to little bit show the enthusiasm. So many cars, so many motorbikes. This lady is feeding. What she's doing, by the way? Yeah, any fishes here? Oh yeah, there are small fishes there over there. Actually, you see, lovely lady from Sardinia restaurant. She fishing them, probably with leftover bread or something. You know how is it in the restaurant, right? All right, guys. I'm gonna go to the other wing of the mall. Gonna grab the grab. And yeah, meanwhile, Starbucks also busy in the Starbucks and the restaurant surrounds. Actually, full house, full restaurant. I didn't see this for a long time like this. It's so busy actually. So, guys, I need to come back to Jerman. Definitely, I have no energy to walk there, so I'm gonna get a grab. In today's occasion, I don't think so. I'm gonna record another foreigner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record the grab because, well, you don't know if you're gonna get a driver who will speak or shy maybe. I'm gonna focus for another few minutes here on the street. People smiling a lot. One more time, I'm gonna show you how to order the grab as Aussie taxi. Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, my man?
My man.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali, my friend.
Everyone miss you. Come on.
Come more.
Come on.
All right, take care, my friend.
Take care.
Good luck. Aussie taxi. So this is like a wing next to Zara in Beach Walk, next to Tony Romas, busy. And here officially you can order grab, by the way. So this is it. This is for me, guys. I'm gonna be here. Help self Ukraine, by the way. Also here, guys. Motorbikes. I'm just gonna sit here for a while and enjoy. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna have a break a little bit. Thank you so much for today's being with me during the live chat and later watching playback and in general. That was today a little shorter, 1 hour, but look at my face. I'm really so sweaty and still feeling not super strong to walk. It's so hot. I'm gonna order my Grab, and then so many boys trying to sell you the tissue. You have to be very careful about that. Yeah, tissue, boys.
Where are you from?
I'm from Europe, my friend. Where are you from?
Bali.
Bali? Where in Bali from?
In Denpasar.
Denpasar? Where in Denpasar?
It's not far.
Huh?
Just 8 minutes.
Oh, 8 minutes. What's the name of the area in Denpasar?
Yes.
Hello. Some tourists. Yeah, what's the name of the area in Denpasar? Like, I don't know,
Lapangan Banteng.
Sesetan or Gatsu or what?
Lapangan Banteng.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you so much. I cannot buy tissue today, all right? See you next time. God bless you, all right? Take care. You can always ask where they're coming from. And when they're gonna say from Bali, where in Bali? They need to know where in Bali, otherwise they will be not from Bali. It's just interesting flaggers. Okay, I will show to you a little bit of the street, order Grab, and well, what I can say, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for joining, thank you for being with us. What else? Thank you so much. See you next time, guys. Next weekend another live chat, live video from somewhere, and tomorrow video, as always, regular vlog at 4 p.m. Bali time, as every day. Quite busy, guys. Thank you so much, and enjoy the few minutes of the video. Right now, I will put the camera here, and you will watch the traffic. Enjoy, guys, and see you. Thank you. All right, and I just gonna put the phone camera here. I think it's okay like this with the wider lens, and I gonna order my Grab. Oops, guys, by the way, I promised you to show you how to order the Grab. So you need to download the Grab app, right? You click car or bike. I always using car. Where to? This should be automatically from here. Where to? I going to Pantai, German, yeah? Pantai, German parking area. You're choosing where is it? This is Sheraton Kuta Resort gate. Oh, actually this is now complicated. Where I supposed to be? Kuta Beach. I'm here. Oh, that's actually got complicated. Okay, beach walk, Pantai Kuta. This is at the front of Zara. In the front of Zara, you can see properly. Confirm pickup, Grab car, 50k. It's gonna cost you like that. This is like a, well, also I have an OVO, so automatically will be paid. I don't know if you can see, this is automatic payment. Book, Grab, Protect. And yeah, waiting, so many drivers. Somebody will, here we go. The driver is coming. This is actually this one. That's so funny, actually. This is this one. I just ordered and he was here. Yeah? So funny, guys. So here we go. I was very lucky today. All right. Hello, sir. Yeah, I just ordered and you come.
Yeah.
Very lucky. Happy days, my
Yes,
friend.
thank you.
You're
Oh my
welcome.
God, thank you, Amin.
Thank you. Happy days. Bali busy, no?
Yeah.
Getting
now it's
busier,
getting busy. Many coming here, the tourists, local.
Local. Yeah, Ramadan is starting next week, right?
Yeah.
And there are some foreigners also, yeah. I switch on the aircon, it's okay, yeah.
Now we go to part of German.
Pantai German, yes, please. The parking in Pantai German. Thank you, yeah.
Where you come from?
Oh, I'm from Europe. Yeah, I'm from Poland. Where are you from, my friend?
I'm the Sulawesi.
From Sulawesi. Where in?
Now the Bunaken Island.
Not really. Sorry.
This is the any island of Indonesia.
All right.
Sulawesi.
All right.
And near in Philippines.
Yes. So it's like very close to Philippines, right?
Yeah.
All right. So like borders between Philippines and Indonesia. The latest island in Indonesia belongs to Sulawesi,
Yeah.
and next island will be already Philippines.
Yeah.
All right. That's nice.
But I'm living here and my family here too.
Oh, already long?
Mm.
Yeah, that's good. Do you like it?
Oh, I'm liking this is working here.
You work
Very, very nice. It's
You work
yeah?
you work somewhere before? I mean, like only Grab driver or?
Yeah, only driver now.
Oh, that's good.
But because in Corona coming here,
Yeah.
you know, only this is Grab.
Yeah. But it's okay. At least you can
Yes.
do
Many
it.
people from Indonesia know good for the walking.
Yeah. All right. This is the Banasarigang
Let's go the
Shortcut. Passing Banasari Legian Street.
Mhm.
Here we go.
How long in Bali?
Oh, just 7 years.
Wow!
That's why I know a little bit. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you know apa Indonesia?
Speaking.
Study Indonesia.
I'm not so smart to learn language, you know.
Oh.
So hard for me, you know.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah, like I can say a few words. Maybe.
7 years.
Yeah,
Where you live?
I live in Sanur.
Hmm?
I live in Sanur.
Oh, Sanur. Oh, yes. It's very good. Sanur.
Yeah,
Many people, they're all living there.
yeah, like old like me, you know.
No, you no. You all know.
Yeah.
You younger. Your friends is younger, yeah.
Yeah, I'm 29 actually.
Wow.
So, yeah, but I live in Sanur.
Yeah.
I just like in Sanur, you know.
Yes. No busy in summer.
No, normal. I mean,
Yes, normal.
many expats, many retired people living in Sanur. Yeah, yeah.
Still living here there.
Yeah, so they live anyway, like before and now it's the same,
Yeah.
Many tourists come to, like foreigner tourists, yeah, they come to Canggu,
Canggu, yeah.
Canggu is busy.
Many come
Yeah,
there.
especially young people like me and
Yes.
younger than me,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they come to Canggu, but in
Canggu,
Kuta,
Canggu no corona.
yeah, no corona in Canggu.
So many people coming there.
Yeah, but here you see there's also tourists here,
Yes.
They,
Now, this is now.
some coming to Kuta as well, definitely,
Yeah.
Definitely some of them coming to Kuta, so
Yeah.
it's getting better and better. I think
You look, this is very close.
many places are closed, but I think give them like 2-3 months, my friend. People gonna start coming, More people come, more customers, and they slowly they.
Yes, it's slowly coming.
So yeah, like this.
Untitled German is special for you?
No, honestly, I walk from Pantai Jerman to here.
Oh.
I left my car in Pantai Jerman in the parking area,
Yeah.
and I walk from there here, and I'm too tired to go back there. I was thinking, to go by street and come back by the beach, You can walk by the Discovery Mall and you can walk there. But I have so hot,
Yeah.
so hot, so no power anymore,
And
So-
no parking.
So yeah, and there is like parking, so I just left, and now I have to go back. Good for me, good for you,
Yeah.
So how about the before pandemic? Did you work somewhere, or like in the tour driver, or like in the hotel
Yes.
or restaurant, or
Many.
Many places, yeah. How long in already here in Bali actually?
Here.
Yeah, in Bali, how long?
Coming here at 97.
97. 21 years ago.
Yes.
That's already long. 24? Hold on, 25 years ago. 25. 25. Oh, so long time ago.
Yeah.
When you was just a teenager,
Huh?
just after school,
Yes.
when you was young boy. It's
Yes.
nice.
I miss one boy.
Nice. Very nice.
20. Yeah. 19. 19 or.
Yeah. See, even the bar here is reopening already.
This is Sky Garden.
Yeah, Sky Garden is closed already for many years.
Because
No paying.
pay-
Yeah, no paying bills.
Oh my god.
How about the Bounty and the Spa? It's still closed.
Yeah. Oh no. This is open.
Oh, they're gonna open later. Maybe party at night, yeah? See, better and better. Slowly, my friend.
Yeah.
So when I order Grab today, yeah? You just drop off somebody or you just drive around?
Yeah. Driver home.
Oh, and you are very lucky because I just press
Yeah.
and then I see the registration and this is this guy. You are very lucky.
I'm very lucky. And I stop here. Yeah. And it open. Oh my goodness. There. Open.
Very lucky.
Very lucky.
Now it's easy for you because the Grab is like no problem, you know, especially in Kuta, you can, nobody will tell you anything, you know. Before was like, you know, the taxi, the private,
No,
yeah.
use Grab is the best.
Now it's easy.
Yeah.
Good for you, good for me, you know.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend. Very slow, very slow. I think that was the tourist actually.
But no problem, very slow and very money coming. no, by sea, no money.
Yeah.
No
True.
any people coming here.
True, my friend.
Problem is busy.
Very true, my friend. See, the traffic is back. The traffic jam is back.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not jam, but traffic is back. Before, like, you remember, yeah, like
Yeah.
half year ago, last year, zero here. Was like nothing, right? But now it's a little bit better. A little bit better. here at the front of the gate is okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Stop here.
yeah, it's okay. No needs to go inside because maybe they will ask you for 5,000 for parking or something.
Okay, I can stop here.
Yeah, it's okay. You can U-turn here, yeah, because there is no road.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, my friend. Good luck with everything, okay?
I will. Don't
Thank
forget
you.
give the star.
Yeah, of course, 5-star as always. Thank you. Take care, my friend. Oh, I just check if everything I take, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Welcome to Bali, guys. Thank you. Yeah, Pantai German. Ah, guys, I don't know if you are still with me. I said goodbye 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago, but I'm still here actually. The guy was, yeah, very nice guy, very nice guy. He was like, as he said, last island in Indonesia, next island will be in Philippines, guys. He was Christian, by the way. As Philippines are Christian. Anyway, this is the a little bit situation by the German. We are at the end of today's live stream. Local vibe. I shouldn't say goodbye, but I said goodbye. Local warungs here, warungans. I'm gonna show you a little bit around before I'm gonna get to my car. Local vibe, very local beach. German beach is very local. Definitely not much regarding the tourist vibe, but more likely local vibe here. As you see, many people coming. Also the local tourists. Local vibe. Check this out, this motorbike here. It's so funny actually. But yeah, and the sunset is gonna be there. Alright, see you next time. See you guys, take care.